Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews as well as Quirk Auto Dealers. Today we have the 2020 Nissan Sentra SV. This one's finished in a beautiful rosewood metallic with the brown quilted interior. Absolutely beautiful. Total price of $24,480. Got nice bumper protector there. Actually seeing how it's good amount of trunk space. And we'll check out the rear seat space. Do apologize for the wind. Let me just check out this interior. Absolutely beautiful. Nice and easy to get in and out. This is the SV Premium package. Yeah. All right. Nice sunroof. All right, without further ado, let's go ahead and take it out on the road. Actually, a good amount of power from that 2-liter. As with most Nissans, this is fitted with a CVT transmission. But it does imitate gear shifts quite well. I have no complaints with it, honestly. Steering wheel does feel excellent to the touch. Very, very nice and comfortable. For 2020, they really revamped the Sentra. It is really a game changer how much this car is improved. For 24 grand, I don't think you get a more luxurious interior unless you find a used Bentley for 24 grand. But in the new market, good luck. Brake pedal feels awesome. Now this is the SV model. I do believe you can get a Platinum as well as the SR. So the SR is going to be a little bit more focused on being sporty. It's going to look a little bit different. That's kind of the main differences between the trim level. The SV is kind of middle to high range in terms of pricing and interior quality. Honestly, you don't need much more than what this car is. As a daily driver, this would be a perfect first new car for somebody. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next one.